In a divine narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 6548, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, declared that Allah, the Exalted, will shade the two people who loved each other for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, on Judgment Day. Allah, the Exalted, will grant shade to these two people on a day when the sun will be brought within 2 miles of the creation. This has been advised in a narration found in SWT, number 2421. If people struggle to cope with the heat of the sun during summer, can one imagine the intensity of the heat on Judgment Day? Loving for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, leads to such a reward as this emotion is extremely difficult to control, and whoever is blessed with controlling it will find fulfilling the duties of Islam straightforward. These duties involve fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from his prohibitions and facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will ensure one uses the blessings they have been granted correctly, meaning, in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. It is because of this reason loving for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, has been declared an aspect of perfecting one's faith in a narration found in Sunan Abu Dawood, number 4681. Loving others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, includes desiring what is best for others in both worldly and religious matters. This must be practically shown through one's actions, meaning, supporting others financially, emotionally and physically, according to one's means. Counting the favors one does for others not only cancels their reward but also proves their insincerity, as they only love gaining praise and other forms of compensation from people. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 264.
O you who have believed, do not invalidate your charities with reminders or injury.
Any type of negative feeling towards others over worldly reasons, such as envy, contradicts loving others for the sake of Allah, the Exalted, and must be avoided. This is achieved when one removes the negative characteristics they possess and replaces them with good characteristics, by learning and acting on the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. To conclude, this noble quality includes loving for others what one loves for themselves through actions, not just words. This is in fact an aspect of being a true believer according to a narration found in At-Tirmidhi, number 2515. This is best achieved when one treats others in a way they desire people to treat them.